Good morning, teacher. My name is Bianca Diaz, and today I am going to talk about my trip to Jauja. Join me on this adventure. Right now, I am in Lima, and in some hours, I am going to travel to Jauja. This is the map with the places what I am going to visit with my family. Airport. Hi my friends. I am in the airport. I am going to travel with my family to Jauja in some minutes. These are some extra photos that are from the airport. Hotel. Let me explain a little bit about my hotel. First, my hotel is in Huechulo district and is 30 minutes from the airport. I am going to stay there for 4 days. Today is my first day in Huechulo. I am going to play ping pong, billiards, and soccer ball with my family. Also, I am going to eat a lot of ice cream because it's really hot here. The weather is crazy sometimes. This is my favorite part of the hotel because I can play with my sisters. Paca Lake. Today is the second day of the trip and we are going to visit the Paca Lake. And we are going to fish some truchas. Later I am going to eat yogurt and a manjar that will be very delicious. These are my favorite pictures of the Paca Lake. It's amazing. Third day of the trip and we are going to visit the convent of Ocopa with my family and we are going to make a tour there. Some people said that we are going to see some alpacas, sheep, and cows. I am going to eat many types of cheese that are from here. My friends, how you can see I am in really old livery with amazing views and some books are really old. Today is the last day of our trip and we are going to visit Truth Farm. I am really excited because I love the fish.
Today I'm going to tell you about my vacations. On my vacations, I'm going to go to Cajamarca to celebrate it with my cousins, and we will eat cake with the whole family. And then I'm going to go to my aunt's house so that we can have dinner humitas. Thank you.
For this Halloween, I was planning to have a small party with my cousins. We were going to have a meeting in which each one had a random costume, and we were also going to see horror movies. It is not completely confirmed, but it is in my plans. All the celebrations I've had have been with them. When there was no COVID, we went out trick or treat. with princess costumes. This is Halloween. Christmas. I almost always celebrate Christmas with my whole family in the house. Before the COVID, we went to church at 11 o'clock at night. Afterwards, we had a dinner and sat punching down. My cousins and I will open a few presents and go to sleep.